What's happening, YouTube? It's Naturally Impressed Maddie. Just wanted to make a video to show you guys how I protect my hair at nighttime. Hey guys, I know exactly why you're here, and I'm gonna put you up on game. At nighttime, sleep on a satin or silk pillowcase. Do not use these cotton pillowcases. That is only going to rip out your hair, dry it out, cause split ends, cause single strand knots. Don't do that. If you don't like the pillowcases, fine. Just use a satin or silk bonnet, head tie, or do like me and use a satin lined cap. These are my favorite. My hair stays moisturized and it stays on all night. As usual, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.